This is a short tutorial on how to add a learning goal to your eFolio site. You notice on my 5th grade learning portfolio I have a number of buttons here. One of them is reading. I have a reading log. I have content loaded there. But you'll notice under goals there's nothing here. So I want to go to my build site here, and I'm going to click on the goals button and click build. And then I'm going to create some new content. And you'll notice you could create it as an artifact, but eFolio has, if you look under more here, a type of artifact called a goal. So I'm going to create one. And this goal is going to be about reading. And I'm going to put the goal type, it's an educational goal. Could be personal. It's going to be in progress. I haven't completed it. I'm beginning it and working on it all year. Then I'm going to put some text here for my goal. And what I've done is I've already typed out this goal in a word processor. And I'm going to scroll across that. I'm going to copy it with Control-C on a PC, or if you're on a Mac, it would be Apple-C for copy. I'm going to close this window. And I'm going to click in this full text box, and I'm going to put Control-V or Apple-V. Here's my reading goal. And you know, notice here I like to have my goals readable. I'm going to put the font size to size 14. That's a nice size. And then I'm going to save it. Now in my goals building here, I just go into my content, look under goals, there's my reading goal. Now I also put in here a multiplication goal. Let's add that one. I've already built that one. Let's go take a look. You notice they look pretty good here. Reading, learning multiplication, what I want to do. But I'd like to get a little image with that one. I like images with my content. So a reading goal, what belongs there? Maybe a book image would be good. Let's look in my content, look under images. I probably have a favorite book of mine that I'd like. Oh, I love this Neil Gaiman book. So let's stick that right as part of my reading goal. I can actually stick it right in there. Let's stick it both places. See what it looks like. There it is in the side. I think I like it right here as part of this better. So let's go remove this one. Let's take another look at it. Goal type, reading. It looks like I don't have that it's in progress showing, so I'm going to go back, go into my goal, go into the properties. This shows what's on my eFolio site. Let's put the goal type in there. Let's click on that, and let's make sure. Oh, the goal type is on. Oh, goal status, that's what we want. Let's show that field. Now it's showing goal status is in progress. I think it's okay. Now if we go take a look at it, you'll see it says reading, goal type, education, goal status in progress. You'll notice my multiplication and division facts goal shows goal type, but it doesn't show if it's in progress or completed, so I'm going to go back in there and do the same thing. Let's go into the content properties. You'll notice that the status is crossed out. I'm going to click on that and say show the field. I'm going to say OK. Now if we look over here, you'll see that these are in progress. I could also change the type of these. If I want this type to be larger to match this type, I could. You can do that in the content properties. That's how you add goals to your learning portfolio. I also might want to, on this goal, come up with some kind of image that would go well with this goal to make my page a little more colorful and interesting.